Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate where the fuel pump relay is located on a 2016 Ford F-150. Here we guys have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's right under the hood, also known as engine bay fuse box. And if we zoom in, we come, where your car battery is located, guys. This is your car battery, 12-volt battery, and on the back side you have that fuse box cover right here. That if you open that fuse box cover, you have a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. That being the front of the truck, that's towards the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see how you have different kinds of relays, fuses. Those could be really hard to find, expensive, overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacement fuses and relays at a good price and quick shipping. The fuel pump relay now, where it's located. If you come in that fuse panel right here, you can see in that fuse panel right here you have two relays, guys. That left relay right here, that's the relay for the fuel pump that you will need to check. That's for the AC clutch, that's for the fuel pump. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.